Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can get your X or Twitter account unsuspended. Now this will be a very simple and quick thing to do, so make sure you watch this video right until the end so that you don't miss any of these steps. So the first thing you actually want to do is just head over to Google, and the reason why we're doing that is because we're going to type in Twitter help. Now when we search that, we should see this top result which says Twitter Help Center. So we're just going to click on that to bring open the help center, and then from here we can just go to the search bar and all we have to do is type in appeal. Now when we do that we get a few different results, but we just want to scroll down, and the third option for me is appeal a locked or suspended account. So what you have to do from here is just click on this link. So here's where we actually have to go to in order to appeal a suspended account. So as you can see here, it says you are currently not logged in or logged into an X account that is not suspended or locked. So they tell me to please log out and to log into your account that is suspended or locked in order to submit the request. So if your account that you're logged into is not suspended like mine is, it will not actually let you see the screen to submit a request. However, if your account has actually been suspended in the past, you can just go to the top right corner and log out of your account, and you can log into the one that has been suspended in the past, and then from there you can appeal the decision and you can basically submit a request to try and get your suspended account unsuspended. Now this won't work all the time, but if you've done something that isn't too bad, or you've been suspended for an unfair reason, then they may actually unsuspend your account. So that's how to unsuspend your X or Twitter account. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.